Kajingther ula balap sanu balane buan sngi kala penlong singdan ni gibobon gi surak ki badan ha is jante hills banjular. Bal kladan kajing slegom hakalang ki benta jong kajela. Kajing jular ka bakam bon hi ki kajing jular no jong surak ba ka badan ha is jante hills ha ka ba ka bai ka kali ba katrok kila sakot da kajing ngam kensan jong ni surak. Nalor kania kladon ru kajing slegom hakathan kiang lenyong bat kajing ya jong ki kali ru kala sakta na kajing dab hak surak ka badan hum tengar. Bat kladon ru kajing bam yo ayat ki kali na kajing jor pelat kajing hap jong ko surak na ka ksat kenrem. Halor gani kajing Lynshop ki bor ka Mariang na kaliang menteri rang ba kajela konrad kongkal sangma ulalumi kajing alang bat ki deputy commissioner da kabalaya ke video conferencing balasem me karai bantau ya South League Regional Committee. Kebakentup ya ke Regional Committee jong ke East bat West Jante Hills kabentri menteri korbari kajela ba ala kemen rembui rengkat bat menteri ketenat revenue ba akramen shela. Ki Deputy Commissioner bat ki bagi nong yalam ban kami benia ag jinglong jingman ha West Jante Hills bat East Jante Hills. Bat ban shimi kilat klenti bagi kali kinyo banyat ban kit iki marba mardi. U Konrad kongkal sangma ulong bala Thaw ru ya ke Regional Committee jong ke Ribhoy East Khasi Hills ya ke ban clear da usembut menteri rang ba kajela ba Preston Tensong ki bor penyat district bat ki bagi nong yalam. Kat baya ke Regional Committee na gebenta ke Eastern West Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills but Southwest Khasi Hills on clear da menteri Sorkar uba kami ekatenat PHE uba renektan lengdok tongkar. Bat ban kentup ru ya ki he Sorkar na kitenat baper ban kami benia ekajinglong jingman. Ha kabedai bat karilom garo pat. Menteri rang ba ulong baya ke Regional Committee jong ke North Garo Hills, East Garo Hills, South Garo Hills, Southwest Garo Hills but West Garo Hills. On kami da menteri kenat Forest but Environment u James PK Sangma. Bat ban kentup lang ki bor penyat district bat ikinong alam snong. Ulong bagajing tu bantau igini ki Regional Committee kadai ban kami benia agajinglong jingman hakini ki arpusau bat ki sapu prakenta ki banwan. Ban penti kena bagi kali ke bakit ki marbam kinyo banyat ban penpoi ki marbam bat kini ki Regional Committee ki dairu ban jurep ki jaka bat bandan gajingi trailang hapadang ki tenat Sorkar bat ki bor penyat district bat ban pedru igajing shingan jong kinong shong shnong.
Movement and provision of essential commodities are smoothly functioning in the different districts and the regions that they have been asked to monitor, and also to go and make field visits in the area to ensure that there's proper coordination between the different departments and the different district officials, so that whatever steps need to be taken in a very quick manner are taken to minimize the inconvenience to the public in these areas in general, and also specifically to ensure that the safety and security of the citizens of our state, and also to ensure that the other movement of essential commodities are done in a smooth manner. So we will be monitoring the situation closely in the next 24 hours to 48 hours. We have decided to form 4 regional committees to be headed by respective ministers. The Jente Hills, which will take care of East and West Jente Hills, Mr. Lakman Rambui, who is the Honorable Home Minister, along with the Revenue Minister, Mr. Kermen Shila, and other leaders from the local districts, as well as the Deputy Commissioners will be members, and I've asked them to closely monitor the situation in the next 24 hours to 48 hours in the district. Apart from that, we have formed a committee for Ribhoy and for East Khasi Hills, and we have asked our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Preston Tensong, along with other leaders and other district administration officials and departments to monitor the situation in East and East Khasi Hills and Ribhoy district. The third is the committee for Eastern West Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, and for Southwest Khasi Hills. And we have asked Mr. Renekton Tongkar to be the chairman of this committee, and accordingly have members from different departments and different districts to be there so that they can monitor the situation in these 3 districts in the next 24 hours to 48 hours. For the entire Garo Hills region, that is the 5 districts of North Garo Hills, East Garo Hills, Southwest Garo Hills, South Garo Hills, and West Garo Hills, we have asked Mr. James Sangma to be the chairman of this regional committee, and along with that to also co-opt other local leaders as well as other administration officials to monitor the situation in the next 24 hours to 48 hours. The purpose of putting these regional committees is number one, to monitor the situation closely in their respective regions and in the respective districts that they have been given responsibility of.